I've spent a career representing healthcare professionals who've been charged with healthcare fraud or even sued by the federal government for False Claims Act cases. And during this video, I want to take a moment to tell you exactly what you need to do when you are accused, suspected, or you feel like you may have some liability for healthcare fraud. Here at Chapman, Dowling Mallek, we have a tremendous track record of success. Over 200 counts of federal acquittal, $550 million saved for our clients. Most of those were individuals accused of healthcare fraud and healthcare-related offenses. Now first, what is healthcare fraud? It's not making a misstatement on a claim form. Healthcare fraud is knowingly and voluntarily defrauding the federal government, a federal healthcare program that might include upcoding, unbundling, billing for services not rendered, but it may also include instances where the federal government has accused you of not following guidelines. Now, the most important thing you need to do when accused of healthcare fraud is get the right team on your side. Here at Chapman, Dowling Mallek, we also work with Safe Harbor Group, a team of talented healthcare fraud defense professionals. They include former law enforcement, billers, coders, auditors, and expert witnesses who can quickly get a hold of billing data, treatment data, patient information, do a thorough investigation, and often show the U.S. attorney that there is absolutely nothing to see here. When you believe you may be accused of healthcare fraud, you can't just run to the U.S. attorney's office and start making statements. The first thing you need to do is a thorough investigation of the facts of the case, guided by expert witnesses and a talented defense counsel who understands healthcare. In one case, United States versus Bothra, we defeated 52 counts charged against our clients, which resulted in $450 million of alleged government fraud being completely wiped away after a 6-week jury trial. We've repeated those feats time and time again on behalf of a wide range of clients, and we stand ready to assist anybody who is charged with healthcare fraud and provide the most knowledgeable, talented, and aggressive defense possible. If you think you may be accused of healthcare fraud or you may be charged with healthcare fraud, give us a call today, chapman.law. You can find our number below. And if you find this content helpful and you want to learn a little bit more about federal criminal defense, consider clicking subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Ron Chapman from Chapman, Dowling Mallek, author of Fight the Feds as well as Truth and Persuasion. Thank you for joining me.